The reason why we built FAPSCO is to unite the Filipino online professionals industry, to also promote collaboration with each other, and of course, we wanted to help produce skilled online professionals, specialists, and of course, leaders.
We've created Popsco with a vision to become an organization that supports all Filipino online professionals to be successful in their online careers and businesses, regardless of their affiliations.
I joined FAPSCO because as an online professional who's working at the comfort of my home, I needed other individual can share with me on this freelancing journey.
The reason why we have built the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative is to help the ICT graduates, aspirant freelancers, and this is also to help them develop, explore, and acquire new skills when it comes to online professional industry.
Ang paglambo o kalampusan sa usa ka organisasyon nagadepende sa kalidad sa mga miyembro o mga lideres niini. Ang FAPSCO dili lang adunay maanindot kayo nga advokasya o misyon na matabangan kitang tanang mga online professionals na magkahiusa, mulambo o mutubo kita sa atong pagpanarbaho o pagnegosyo online.
FAPSCO for me is a digital opportunity for me to develop and share my skills.
I joined FAPSCO as one of the founding members because I knew FAPSCO is going to be backed by other veteran online professionals and freelancers, thereby having an experienced, solid, and passionate founding members that we have today.
I joined FAPSCO because the vision of the co-op aligns with my personal vision to provide much needed support to online professionals nationwide.
I joined FAPSCO because the people that I've met have the same values, mission, and vision as mine. And that is to provide assistance, free training, and coaching to those who wants to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
I joined the FAPSCO community because it promotes collaboration instead of competition.
I joined FAPSCO because this is a group with a helping hand.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelance.
Ayan na. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to FOBSTOCK, Friends and Online Professionals. This show is for you. FOBSTOCK is brought to you by FOBSCO, the national-based cooperative for and by Filipino online professionals. So before we move on to our guest, please like our page muna, facebook.com/fobsco.ph. And you may also find us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and also TikTok. Or visit our website, fobsco.ph. Ayan. And thank you to our partners, FOBSCO Media and the FOBSCO SMM team and membership committee, the FOBSCO members. Thank you so much for watching us tonight. Filipino Online Professionals Industry. Ayan. So, good evening, everyone. Hello, Rosh. Sino yung kaakbay mo dyan? Kumusta kayo? Ay, si Papa Sam. Good evening.
Eto na gagala. Kakagaling namin sa event
diba?
ng DTI. So, pauwi pa lang. Inabutan ng FAPSTOCK. Siyempre, alam mo naman, kahit saan.
Tayo pa kahit saan. Strike anywhere nga, di ba? Hi, Sam. Kumusta ka, Sammy? Naririnig niya ba kami?
Hindi ka daw ba?
Si Sam po, oo nga. Pero introduce ko na lang siya. Si Sam po ay hindi host ng FAPSTOCK. But he is committee head for FAPSCO, mediation committee head. Ayan. Kumusta ka, Bern? Long time no see. How are you?
Yes, all is well. Super duper mega lamig dito ngayon sa South Cotabato. Happy birthday,
it's
Coach!
Winter. Ay, thank you. It's winter in South Cotabato.
Yes,
Lamig, no?
super.
Wala namang baba
Mahirap
dyan.
maghanap ng araw. meron sa mga nearby na areas na baha talaga. So yun yung mahirap doon ngayon. Kasi may mga creek areas kasi dito din. So yun yung malakas na mga
Tsaka lakas
katakot.
talaga ng ulan.
Yun.
Ayan. So, thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. And introduce na natin ang ating guest. Ngayon lang tayo nakakaroon ng guest from this group. And I'm so excited to talk to him tonight. So, our guest is one of my good friends here. Oh, di ba? Kine-claim ko na siya. Finally, meron na akong good friend na face-to-face dito sa Zamboanga. He is he is the community lead for Google Developers Group Zamboanga, and they've been active in the events scene since I think almost 10 years now. But he will tell us more about Google Developers Group Zamboanga. It's isa sa pinaka naalala ko is Google Developers Group Zamboanga. Isa sa mga natitirang active Google developers communities in the Philippines. Tama?
Wow.
Ayan. Yes, our guest for tonight is Salimar Tahil. He's also a professor at a local university. Good evening, Sir Sal.
Hi, good
Good evening,
evening,
Sir Sal.
everyone. Good evening, Miss Jehan, Miss Byrne, and Miss Rochelle, sorry.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so good evening, magandang gabi, buenas noches,
Buenas noches.
maayong gabi, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, so I am Salimar B. Tahil. Ako po yung isa sa mga community lead ng Google Developers Group Zamboanga. And as mentioned by Ms. Jehan, I am also a teacher by profession. I'm teaching at Western Mindanao State University sa Computer Science Department. Ayan.
Yes.
So
Ayan,
before anything else, I'd like to thank Ms. Jehan and the entire PAPSCO community for inviting me to introduce our tech community here in Zamboanga, the Google Developer Groups Zamboanga.
Yes. Kung hindi ko nakwento, yung mga students niya nung pandemic were, I think, web development po sila na trainees sa DGT, no? Oo, so
Yeah.
talagang super tutok na tutok siya sa mga trainees ng ano. But, ayan, sige, let's talk about Google Developer Groups, Sal. How did you start as a community lead of the GDG, Google Developer?
Okay, so I think I started way back 2013 when I was still a student. I'm a graduating student at that time, and I am the student leader sa aming department. And one time, GDG Zamboanga existed since 2011, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I think 2011 siya nag-start yung GDG Zamboanga. And then in 2013, nagkaroon sila ng events sa school namin, sa the same school where I'm teaching right now, sa WIMSU. And then from there, they partnered with us, to organize an event. And then from there, I started volunteering, okay? And later was nominated to be the community lead, to be one of the community leads. So, becoming a community lead for GDG often begins with, a passion for technology and a desire to share knowledge. So many start by actively participating in local GDG events, just like what I did. Contributing to discussions, and you volunteer, to help organize events. So over the time, naging consistent yung involvement ko, and siguro they saw a potential in me they saw some leadership qualities in me. That's why they nominated me and invited me to become one of the community leads of GDG Zamboanga. Before this, I'd like to emphasize, or I'd like to share what Google Developer Groups is and what GDG Zamboanga is. GDG, or Google Developer Group, is Google's community program of over 1,000 chapters across 140 countries, and so pang international level. We meet like-minded developers from all levels and backgrounds. So this program aims to connect, learn, and grow. Okay, so connect means you get to meet local developers and technologies. So everyone is welcome, including those with unique backgrounds and from various companies and industries, which means this group welcomes everyone, whether you are a professional developer, a seasoned developer, a student developer with tech background, or simply you love tech, or you're a tech enthusiast. You're welcome in this group. Okay, so learn meaning with GDG, you get to learn about a range of technical topics and an opportunity for you to gain new skills through hands-on workshops, because we organize workshops, trainings, events, tech talks, and meetups, both online and in person. Okay, grow, of course, with GDG, you get to apply the knowledge and you get connections, okay? Because you will be networking with a lot of developers, just like I said, yung mga like-minded developers, no? So for you to build great products and advance your skills, career, and network. So this, we can help our community to learn too. GDG Zamboanga, is a local community of developers, and we are passionate individuals in the community who are dedicated to helping others learn, grow, and connect using technology. So not just to learn, but also to bring visibility to underrepresented people and groups in the technology field, especially women or people with disabilities and people of color. So talking about underrepresented group, another community that Google supports is yung tinatawag naming Women Tech Makers. So we have also Women Tech Makers Zamboanga, which is a sub-community of GDG. Okay, so Women Tech Makers is part of Google developer brand, emphasizing the role of women in technology. So Google's Women Tech Maker programs provides visibility, community, and resources for women in technology. So dito sa aming mga Women Tech Makers event, suking-suki namin dyan si Miss Jehan. So,
yeah, thank you for always inviting me.
Yeah, and
Napakagandang program, no?
Yes.
Do you have any more to add about the GDG?
Yeah, so GDG Zamboanga is actually, I mentioned earlier, we are across 140 countries. Philippines is one, and sa Philippines there are, I think, 8 chapters in the Philippines, starting with GDG Halsema, upper part ng Cordillera. Then we have GDG Baguio. Then we have GDG Manila. We have GDG Cebu, GDG Bacolod. And then for Mindanao, we have GDG Cagayan de Oro, GDG Davao, and GDG Zamboanga. And we're proud to say that we are the second oldest chapter in the Philippines, next to GDG Manila. Yeah, I think that's all about
Yeah.
GDG.
Wow, ang dami
Ang
na pala.
galing, no?
O kasi naalala ko, Je, nung dito sa Manila, way back, isa ang GDD sa mga events na napuntahan ko. And then there was a time, I think it was last year, nung na-invite naman ako sa GDG sa Dubai. Pero syempre
Wow.
online yon. Oo. 'Di ba? Pero ang tanong ko lang, were there any challenges nung binubuo nyo yan, yung grupo, and then yung mga events na ginagawa nyo? Meron ba? Or kung meron man, ano yung mga challenges and what did you do to overcome somehow? Kasi nabuo nyo yung group, you're solid, you have a very nice community. What were the challenges that you faced and how did you overcome it?
Okay, it's really challenging, especially here in Zamboanga, kasi medyo maliit lang yung tech community namin. In fact, I think kami lang, aside sa DICT, kami lang yung parang tech community na visible. I don't know kung merong iba, but I never heard of na yung ibang
May Popsco
community.
me.
Ay, may Popsco, sorry.
Pero
I mean,
wala kami masyadong events here sa Zamboanga.
Oo.
Wala masyadong events here.
Yeah,
We're
so
just setting it up pa lang.
So, number one is mahirap, paano ba? Kasi yung ano kasi ang title kasi namin is Google Developers Group. So when I started volunteering, when I first heard GDG nung hindi pa ako member, medyo hesitant ako at that time kasi I really thought na yung GDG is really exclusive for developers. I'm still a student that time. So medyo nag-hesitate ako. Pero hindi naman pala. So number one challenge namin is mag-trace kung meron bang mga developers, professional developers dito sa Zamboanga, because I think Miss Jehan can attest that lahat ng mga professional developers namin, madalas wala sila dito sa Zamboanga because of the lack of opportunity here.
Yes.
No? Yeah. So most of them are in the key metros in the like sa Manila, sa Davao, sa Cebu, ganon. Yon. So ang hope na lang namin are yung mga student developers. So every time na nag-organize kami ng event, it's really hard to locate and invite professional developers since sila kasi talaga yung kasi minsan kasi yung Google medyo advanced. So if you're a student, kumbaga may intimidate ka sa mga topics. Okay? But we see it as parang hope siya, no? In a way na parang okay, walang problema yan. It's okay to start kahit students pa lang kayo, don't get intimidated. Take it as an opportunity for you to learn advanced topics. Kasi as an educator myself, I can really say na very limited lang din talaga yung na-share namin sa classroom kasi syempre limited din naman yung time. So like you cannot cover the entire thing in just 6 months or in just 1 semester. Okay? And as experience during college, dumaan naman tayo sa pagka-estudyante. So you really have to study in advance or learn skills in advance, no? So what challenges, building a thriving, yung pag-build ng thriving Google Dev community really comes with the challenges such as ensuring there is a consistent engagement. Okay, you need to organize impactful events, no, para maengganyo yung iba to join the community. You also need to maintain a welcoming and inclusive environment. Okay, so dapat mapa-feel mo sa mga community members that, oh, you are welcome here, no? And there's no discrimination here, no? So overcoming these challenges often involves, strategic planning. We leverage on feedback from community members. So every time na mag-i-event kami, we see to it that we get their feedbacks, and then from there, we analyze, we plan better for our next events, and to continuously adapt to their needs. So usually before we organize an event, we do, or part of the registration of the event is to get their pulse, no? Kung ano yung mga interest topics nila, ano yung mga gusto nilang matutunan. From there, we cater to their needs, no? Also, collaboration is the key talaga, no? Because you cannot really organize an event without really collaborating with other organizations. And we're very lucky lang dito sa Zamboanga, although wala kaming masyadong tech industries here, or kung meron man kaming mga, what do you call this, companies, but they are not, yung culture kasi dito is hindi sila yung parang tipo ng like sa metros, like they're willing to sponsor events, no? So we're very lucky lang na we have government institutions or government like our LGU are very supportive of tech events. So yan, no? So collaborating with other community leads, utilizing Google's resources, and fostering a culture of inclusivity and respect. These are, I think, essential strategies for overcoming these hurdles for us to sustain, a vibrant and inclusive community, the GDG community. Yeah.
Wow. Actually, ang husband ko is isa siya sa mga programmer. Pag may hindi ako naiintindihan sa kanya ako nagtatanong. Pero meron tayong phone in, message from our Fapsco page, from MJ, from Maria Jamaica Soriano. Ayan. Tinatanong niya kung ano daw ang mga programming language na ginagamit at ano yung mga sample projects. Siguro gusto niyang maintindihan more. Para kasi pag sinabing GDG or Google Development Group, para napaka-technical. Ako nga, medyo nahihirapan din ako i-comprehend ano yung mga klase ng project. Kasi alam ko pag technical, web development, app development, yung mga programming nito. Pero pag sinabing Google Development Group, ano ginagawa niyo sa Google? Parang ganon. So ayan, sagutin natin ang tanong ni MJ.
Okay, so before that, disclaimer lang. I'm not in any way connected with Google. I am just but a volunteer of Google Developer Group. So Google, linawin ko lang, Google Developer Group, para siyang kumbaga CSR ni Google. Okay? Para siyang CSR ni Google na parang in a way marketing na rin nila. Kasi dito, kami kasi sa GDG Zamboanga, kami yung GDG Group, kami yung unang nakakaalam or nakakasagap ng kung ano yung mga latest products ni Google.
Google.
Oo, latest developer products ni Google. Developer products meaning these are tools that programmers or developers can leverage on. Okay, so example of Google Developer Product na pinaka maingay ngayon is yung Gemini. This is parang AI model, AI model na develop ni Google, pangontra nila kay Microsoft Copilot. Yan. Tapos meron din namang Flutter. So this is a tool for web applications. Meron ding Firebase, na pang web din siya. Para siyang yung Firebase is for database, pero non-SQL siya. I think yung mga developers could relate, no? Pasensya na sa jargons. Mahirap siyang i-explain sa layman terms.
Oo nga. Sige lang, sige lang.
Actually, is it okay if I share this, na lang, Sal, this page?
Yes.
I think if people are interested to be Google developers, you can actually go to developers.google.com. Tapos,
Yeah.
tama ba to? Is this the correct
Yes, yes.
page? No?
Yes.
So you can create your account here in the Google Developer Program na Tapos ayan, kumpleto siya. I think gumawa ako ng ng account ko dito kasi ambisyosa tayo inggitera pa. So Google Developer Kineme ako pero hindi ko siya masyadong carry kasi napaka-technical niya nga. It's really for people who siguro who studied, siguro basic na ng study mo is either computer science or IT, right? Tama
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah.
Yan, no? So parang,
IT.
kasi, IT or computer science, kasi parang sila yung makakaintindi. But ayan, so, you create
Yeah,
an
Jan,
account, meron ka rin.
Jan, you can see the products, no, of Google. Then you can also learn about the communities supported by Google. Ayan.
Yes, so yan, kompleto siya. So that's developers.google.com. Alright.
Yes, perfect. Thanks for sharing.
Mabilis tayo mag-research.
May tanong ako, Sir Sal, of all the tech communities available online and still right now, super duper madaming mga existing emerging technologies. Why do you choose GDG and still remain with GDG?
Okay, so sabi ko nga kanina, yung GDG is the only tech community na meron dito sa Zamboanga. And why I stayed with GDG for the longest time, trivia lang, yung ibang chapters ng GDG sa Philippines, parang mabilis yung nila, yung parang roll out nila. Kung ba parang nag-iiba-iba sila ng community leads. They come and go. Ganyan. So kami naman dito sa Zamboanga, kami ni Ma'am Yulin Medina and ni Ma'am Faye Grace Tubog Caniedo. Kami yung pinaka oldest na community leads. So never kaming nag-step down sa community because parang it's hard to let go the community knowing like parang if aalis kami, who will handle or who will continue? Parang ganun ba? Kasi yung mga Gen Z, ang bilis kasi nilang ang bilis kasi nilang magsawa. Like sa trabaho, yung mga Gen Z, pasensya sa mga Gen Z, but this is the truth. Kasi yung mga Gen Z kasi, like, pag nagsawa sa isang trabaho, like, they resign and then, marupok sila. So, yeah. So, yun. And also, sabi namin, GDG kasi is, international siya. So, and we're very lucky to have a chapter here in Zamboanga. So, kung aalis kami, baka mamatay yung community. Sayang naman. 'Di ba? So, why GDG out of all tech communities? Because I believe GDG is a unique community because it is supported by Google. Yung support naman nila is tuwing may events kami, like yung upcoming event namin na Google I.O., they support. Yung support naman nila like resources like mga slides, no, that we can refer to, mga certification programs. They also send minimal financial supports. Okay? So they offer direct access to latest Google technologies and resources. As I've said earlier, kami yung unang, kumbaga, first in line na nakakaalam kung ano yung mga latest product releases nila. And this supports provides members with valuable learning opportunities, networking with like-minded professionals, and participating in exclusive events. So the strong emphasis is on innovation and staying updated with cutting edge technologies, which makes GDG for me a compelling choice for many developers. So yun yung parang I think yun yung parang what I like about GDG. Yung Google is Google.
Yes.
Updated sa mga innovations.
Yes. Actually, kasi ang maganda rin talaga doon is dala mo yung pangalan ni Google talaga. So, nandun na yung, kumbaga, yung credibility. It adds credibility to your name.
Oo. Okay. Hindi, I remember, ano pala, as GDG community leads pala, aside from I mean, magna-network ka. So yung isa sa mga nagustuhan namin is we have the chance to meet not just the local developers but also international developers. Kasi si Google nagsusupport din sila na nagkakaroon kasi kami ng what you call this summits. Okay. Google Developer Group Southeast Asia Summit. Okay. So nagkakaroon kami ng chance ipadala doon sa summit and then meet with other GDG organizers around Southeast Asia. And yung si Ma'am Yolene, yung isa sa mga community lead namin, she get the chance to travel to USA to attend the Google I/O event. Yan.
Yan. Nakita ko yung yung photos niya. Last year yata yun sa Google headquarters. At naglaro talaga si Miss Yulin doon. Pero, pero isa rin talaga sa tumatak-rush sa sinabi ni Sal ngayon is to build a strong community, dapat hindi ganun kabilis yung turnover ng leadership. So alam niyo na ni Sherlane, hindi pa kayo pwedeng umalis sa POPSCO.
Ay, grabe.
Kailangan pa tayo ng POPSCO kasi naman sila sa, I think 13 years na sila sa Google Developer as leads. So talagang
baka pwede i-recruit na din natin siya, pagsamahin na natin yung GDG tsaka POPSCO.
Pwede.
Let's vote in.
Yeah, collaboration event, Shemers.
Yes,
At saka alam mo, pag nag-Google I/O event sila, may mga invited talaga na speakers from other countries. It's a chance to meet AFAMs.
Bakit AFAM yata yung narinig ko? Parang si Sherlane natin dapat nandyan.
Oo, kailangan talaga si Sherlane dito. Ayan. Ayan, but before we proceed, let's muna pause to recognize our other partners. Also, guys, we partnered up with Dasho Content. Ayan, may upcoming event po kasi si Dasho Content, which is DashCon, Taming the Tech. So this is their second DashCon event. It's the first event for this year, pero last year meron din sila the same type of event. At ito yung kanilang speakers and panelists. Ayan, hindi ho pipitsugin yung mga speakers na yan, mga big time yan sa big shots in the industry. And they'll be talking about topics in their own fields. Ayan, so ilan sa mga speakers nila, si Miss Janet Toral, ang ating mother of POPSCO trainers. Si Miss Flair, of course, the founder of Dasho Content, and Doc Ligot, CEO and CTO Zeroletics, ayan, and all of these other speakers. So if you're interested to join DashCon, the venue is at Amazon Web Services in BGC Taguig. It's on August 1, 2024, 12:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. And ayan, may tickets po sila. Tickets are available, I think, on their Facebook page. You can unlock Ayan, you can use the code UNLOCK to get 300 pesos off of the ticket price, because usually the regular ticket price is 3,000 pesos per walk-in. Ayan. So, nood kayo ng Dashcon, guys. There's a lot to learn about AI from the speakers at Dashcon. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you for those who are watching sa ating Facebook group. Si Latin, si Kentoy. Hi, Ken. MJ. Ayan, si Bern. Okay. Ayan. Thank you so much. Done na ako.
And it's so interesting na there's so much happenings and 13 years na siya. Actually, ako, honestly, it's my first time hear about this community. And I hope sana mag-try pa more at mag-expand. I'm just curious of all the things that you have mentioned about happenings events in your community, in Google community. Ano yung excites you most or excited ka gumising because of these events are happening in Google developers community group?
Okay. So, aside from learning the latest innovations in tech, you know, what yung isa sa mga pinaka-exciting part of being a GDG member is the opportunity to connect with diverse group of people, diverse group of developers and technologies who are passionate about Google technologies, the sense of community, the sense of collaboration, and the chance to learn from each other and grow together with them. Ito yung mga things na, hindi mo matatawaran. These are, incredibly motivating, no? Additionally, the ability to impact, the local tech ecosystem in a positive way, and inspiring the next generation of developers, that to me is highly rewarding. So that what makes me what excites me,
Yeah,
to be part of this GDG community.
Maganda yung talagang nakakapag-connect ka kahit na online or offline, di ba? It's really number one rule talaga is to really show up and connect. So sa mga developers dyan or aspiring, especially na we have new graduates seeking for work or would like to go to the path of web developers, especially with the Google group. Ano yung advice na mamibigay mo sa kanila, especially to their related to their specialization?
Okay. So, especially sa mga students, na hindi masyadong, exposed sa tech community, my advice is to attend events like the ones
Sabi mo,
we
tech community lang
organize.
sila, hindi naman sila kumikita, hindi di ba? Ang tagal.
Yes. So,
Rush?
Oo, naaano nga ako. Kasi imagine mo, tech community, hindi siya for profit. Tapos, it took them years to build, di ba, that organization. So, na-imagine ko tayo. Kasi, ramdam ko yung, di ba? Sorry. Ramdam ko yung hirap.
Natutuwa ako sa'yo, Rosh.
Ramdam ko yung hirap nila.
Parang continuation pa nung kwentuhan natin kanina, no? Pero iba na yung inaano ni Sal ngayon. So, sige, continue lang tayo.
Oh, sorry, namatay kasi ako. Tapos may bumalik ako. Tapos yung
Nawala ka
parang
nga.
naisip ko. Continue.
Sige. Okay, so yung advice na ko is yung advice ko for developers who are into Google Tech, it's really crucial to stay updated with the latest developments and trends, So by regularly attending events such as GDG events, participating in online courses, doon sa website na ipinakita ni Miss Jehan kanina, you can find communities supported by Google. There are also certification programs that you can leverage on, no? So participating in online courses and obtaining relevant certifications can really be highly beneficial, no? Magagamit nyo siya, yung mga certificates earned. You can add that to your resume. So when applying for work, at least magagamit nyo siya, no? So also networking with other developers and engaging in collaborative projects can also enhance learning and career opportunities. So leveraging on resources like Google Cloud, Firebase, and Android development tools, these can significantly advance one's expertise and professional growth. Okay, so attend ng mga events, no? Learn from the experts because we invite experts, Google developer experts in our events. So yung mga events naman namin, if not free, very minimal lang naman yung registration fees. Yeah.
Ayan. So
Ayan.
these are all ito yata yung sagot sa tatlong kanina ni MJ na ano yung mga platforms, products, etc. But since you already mentioned Sal, yung join groups or join community events and all that, would you like to invite our viewers to your upcoming event dito sa Zamboanga, especially those who are watching from Zamboanga? I know there are people watching from Zamboanga right now, so let's invite them.
Ayan, yan. So on July 27, so we have our Google I/O Extended Zamboanga Peninsula 2024 event. So this is a regional event. So we're inviting everyone from Zampen region, even not from Zampen, if you're interested in joining, you can fly and come here in Zamboanga. Okay, saan siya? Sa Garden Orchid Hotel sa may Governor Camille. So that's from 8 to 6 p.m. So the registration link is there. Just visit yung website na show sa screen. So this is our
GDG.
10th I/O extended event that we have organized. Yan.
Nice. O, diba? Ano talaga siya, consistent. Everyone, if you're interested, so the link is gdg.community.dev/events/ napakahaba ng link. We will paste it na lang here sa ating comment section if you want to sign up or get tickets. And they also have a Facebook page. Can we show the video of your event last year?
Yes.
Go. Sige, ayan. Mag-show kami ng video.
Yes, please.
This one, no?
Yan yung DevFest Zampen last December. We also have the I/O of last year. Wag ma-shock sa intro video, ha?
Wow.
Ganda.
Diba, Tara? Ni Mami.
Ang dami. talaga.
Diba? And kung napansin mo, puro Gen Z ang audience. Hindi tayo makaka-relate.
Oo. Parang overage tayo.
Overage tayo. Pero one last video to show. Ito naman yung
Yung last
Google
year.
I/O extended last year.
Last
Kung
year,
saan,
yes.
yes. One last video.
Invited ang Mima mo.
Of course.
And invited siya ulit this year.
This year.
Yan.
Oh, 'di ba? Napaka-lively ng event. So, if you're watching and you're anywhere around Mindanao or kung kahit wala kayo sa Mindanao, kung gusto niyo mag-attend ng isang Google Developers Group event, I can really attest to the yung networking kasi lumawak yung yung network ko, dumami yung kakilala ko dito sa Zamboanga thanks to that event. Yan, di ba nag-feeling close na ako kay Lasal, kay Ma'am Yolene, bilang nila, suki sa
Yeah.
mga talk. Pero nakaka-excite yung mga Google developers na events kasi talagang nakikita mo yung audience participation. Ang galing-galing nilang that should be our goal, Rosh. Yung ganong
Kaya
klaseng
nga.
event.
Kaya nga, dali na natin ang Zamboanga.
Yan. So, bigla tayo nagkahiyaan.
Akala ko kasi sasabihin ka.
Wala na, go.
Gusto kong ipakita yung birthday celebration mo. Kasi dapat gagawin namin yun dito. Kaya lang, hindi kami nakapag-usap ni Sherlyn kasi nga nasa event kami. Tapos wala akong internet connection. Tapos nakita ko na isend niya na pala kagabi. Baka naman pwede makiselebrate naman kayo sa amin sa birthday ni Jehan.
Na yun.
Oh,
Matanda.
diba?
I'm too old for that.
Hindi.
I'm too old for that.
Burn. Dali, play mo, Burn. Mag-share ka ng screen. Para makita din ng iba yung mga kalokohan namin pinagagagawa. We're not always serious and we're not always working. Sometimes we're also playing. Ayan. We also prank each other. Binibuisit namin ng isa't isa na kahit birthday na wala pa rin nakakalusot sa mga pang-aasar. O, di ba? Parang si
Ayan,
Dennis
sige.
ng kanina nagsasabutahian. So,
Ayan.
Burns, go. I-prepare mo, Burns.
Ayan na, share ko na. Ako na yung naka-ready.
Yay!
Excuse na muna, Sir Sal. Ayan, special request.
Yay.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Je! Happy birthday! Sabi ko sa kanila, gawin namin yung eye roll challenge para sa birthday mo today. Para maiba naman. Masakit sa ulo. Pinapractice ko so parang hindi ko siya magawa. Tignan mo na lang kung pasok. Hirap. Wah! Eye roll ala Jehan. Take 3. Wah! happy birthday! Ikaw lang ang makakagawa nun. Hindi ko kaya. Pero tignan natin, baka may ibang entries. Bye! I wish you all the best on your day. Sana naman masaya ka ngayon. Alam ko para kang kuratsa na trabaho sa umaga, trabaho sa gabi. Pero give time for yourself. Okay. Bye-bye. Mama, happy birthday.
Hi, Jehan. Happy birthday sa'yo. And gusto ko sana mag-viral kagaya ng ginawa ni Rochelle. Pero nakasalamin ako, hindi mo naman makikita. So, babati na lang kita ng happy birthday and sana matupad yung lahat ng mga kahilingan mo sa buhay.
Hi, Jehan. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman na tinatreasure ko yung friendship natin. Kahit na hindi pa tayo nagkikita personally. Pero alam mo yun, yung sisterhood natin is sobra over the top. Yung over the top. So, mahal kita and enjoy your day. Hindi na ako kakanta kasi baka umulan ulit. Okay. So, happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan. See you soon. Gala tayo dito. So, see you and mahal ka na.
Hi, Miss Jehan! Happy birthday! Wish ko that you stay healthy, happy, mataray at some char lang. And also more wealth and kaching so you can, syempre, support the family, provide the needs of the kids, di ba? Because we want to provide the best for them. So, enjoy your day and I hope you have a blast. Happy birthday, Miss Je!
Happy birthday, Miss Jehan. Ayan. Sorry naman sa boses ko. Hindi tayo makakanta ngayon kasi ayan, may sakit pa tayo. No kanta-kanta today pero it's your happy yes birthday. Ayan. We've been friends and we've been friends online, no? Hindi parang sa lahat ng, hindi, kayong dalawa ni Miss Raquel Asa ang hindi ko pa nakita in person. Muntik na kami magkita ni Miss Raquel. One time, pero ikaw, hindi pa. Siyempre, kasi medyo malayo. Walang chance na magkita pa tayo. But we've been seeing each other for a while already na sa online. Yung medyo nakikilala na kita online, pero for sure, magpa-fangirling na naman din ako pag nakita kita in person. So, I wish you nothing but good health palagi, continuous projects, continuous blessings, no? At please continue to inspire us, inspire all the people na nakapaligid sa'yo, and of course, keep safe, no? I've been hearing a lot of news na in your area, baha, yung mga parang last week lang yung parang may sumabog. So, I wish you safety, good health, and everything. All the good circumstances happen to you, no? Siyempre, pag okay ka, okay kami, yan, ganyan, ganun. So, again, happy birthday, and enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hi, Jehan, it's your birthday today, so happy birthday. And I remember, we were together last year. We celebrate your birthday sa balay ni Dennis, and it was a great experience to be with you sa imong birthday. And for today, again, I wish you the best sa imong life. More blessings, more good health sa imuha and to your family as well. So again, enjoy your day today and happy birthday again.
Hi Coach, happy birthday and ilang taon na po kayo. And I hope you enjoy your day and I know na maraming kaganapan sa palibot mo and just always have a blast of love and may many more birthday to come and I'm really looking forward to see you in person kahit na nasa South ako at dyan ka sa nasa dulo-dulo tayo ng Pilipinas. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day and ingat parati.
Hi, Ms. Jahan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to the eye rolling queen of Fapsco. Ayan, ikaw yung aming eye rolling queen. Trademark mo yan sa amin. And since birthday mo today, enjoy mo lang yung buhay. Enjoy mo yung greatest blessing na ibinigay sa'yo ng Diyos. At stay healthy and stay sweet. Though may pagkamataray pero mabait naman. Ayan. So happy birthday, Miss Je, and we love you.
Birthday ni Jehan? Hindi ko kaya. Anyway, Jehan is, alam mo si Jehan is actually one of the few people that I know who always stand by their principles. No? Si Jehan, pag pareho kayo ng prinsipyo, kahit kayong dalawa na lang ang lalaban siya. So, pero kapag hindi parehas kayo ng prinsipyo at hindi parehas kayo ng paniniwala, ang makukuha mo sa kanya, ganon. So, happy birthday, Jehan, and God bless, and more powers and more birthdays to come. Assalamualaikum.
Happy na birthday pa! Happy na birthday pa! Happy 60th birthday, Miss Je! And more blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ikaw ang bahala kung ilang birthday pa ang gusto mo. But I wish you all the best in life. May all your wishes come true. And I hope makasama ka namin sa mga susunod na travels. More bondings, more project, and laban lang sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Jehan, and I wish you all the best. I wish you good health, more blessings, and I hope you would be able to accomplish your desires and goals for this year. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Ayan, sa wakas natapos din. Nawala na si
Happy
Rosh.
birthday.
Tawa na, uti na tayo. Gusto ko na nga siya ikat kanina pa. Pero thank you so much to my Popsco family for the birthday greetings. And ito lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, hindi nyo kakayanin yung eye roll ko. Kanina pa ang gumaganyan-ganyan. Hindi nyo kaya yun. Ayan, thank you so much. But, ayan, let's go back to... hindi nyo kaya. Ako lang talaga nakakagawa nun.
Yes, I'm practice pa, Coach.
Practice pa, mga siguro 20 years pa. Ayan. Okay, but thank you so much, Sir Sal, for gracing us with your presence
Yes,
tonight.
thank you, Sir Sal.
Biglaan yung invite ko sa'yo pero hindi ka talaga tumanggi. Yes, kakaagad. Yan ang gusto ko sa mga friends ko. Yes lang agad. Ayan. So may isa pa akong babrasuhin na maging guest. But before we end, do you have a parting message for our viewers?
Yes. So to our viewers, as I've said, expose yourselves in tech because that's where the future. Yan.
True, totoo talaga yan. Bern, any parting message? And gusto po ka na mag-close?
Yes, po. Sige po. I really exciting to hear such community na mayroong resilient and thriving, especially right now that many developers really looking for community, where to connect, where to learn. And I guess this is a great maganda at na-share siya ng Fapsco, especially they have a coming event of in Zam Peninsula. So I hope guys, especially sa online viewers natin, share this post and invite your friends to join with us. And also, I really love na to really learn more from you, Sir Sal. Thank you so much for on our show tonight, joining with us tonight. So, Coach, do you have more message to our guests and to our viewers? And
Yun lang, in building a community, it's really important na makipag-collaborate tayo talaga. Collaboration is the key. Yan talaga yung lagi kong inuulit-ulit before. Hindi tayo competitors. There's no space for us to compete dahil napakalawak ng online industry. But there's a big space for everyone to collaborate. Yeah. So looking forward, Sir Sal, for future collaborations between FAPSCO and GDG.
Yes, of course. So again, thank you, Papsco, Ma'am Bern, Miss Rochelle, and Miss Jehan, the entire FAPSCO community. Thank you for the opportunity to share what I love the most about JDG community.
okay,
Hasta
thank you,
luego.
Sir Sal. Yes, thank you, Assalamualaikum. And thank you, Coach. And thank you so much for watching us, guys. And hope to see you again next Wednesday. Please like our page, facebook.com/popsco.ph, a national-based cooperative for Filipino online professionals. You may also find us in Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. If you had some takeaway in tonight's shows, please, especially the events, please share this episode so others can also learn from you. Thank you for Fabsco Media, our partner in giving us this wonderful show. Join us again next week for another show with another special guest. For our Fabsco family, let's keep growing together. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye. Thank you, Sir Sal. See you next
Thank
week.
you so much for